gunshots. Oh my god. Oh, right behind Resorts World. And you can see the smoke and there's gunshots and people are shooting at each other. Oh god. I live right behind Resorts World and this is just happening right now.